Hello class, today I am going to explain you mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed fraction means a whole number and a fraction form. That is called mixed fraction. And we have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Improper fraction means where the numerator is greater than the denominator, right? So here we have the example of mixed fraction 3 1 3 whole 1 by 4. Here 3 is the whole number, 3 whole 1 by 4. So what, how we have to change into mixed fraction into improper fraction? We have to multiply this whole number with the denominator and we will add this numerator. Means 4, we have written 4 as it is, 4 into 3 plus 1. So what we will get? 12 plus 1 by 4, we will get 13 by 4. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. It is the example of improper fraction. Now come on another example, 7 whole 2 by 8. So how we will solve this? We will write denominator as it is and we will multiply denominator with the whole number and we will add this with numerator. So 8 into 7 plus 2. So what we will get? 8 7 ja 56 plus 2 by 8. What we will get the answer? 58 by 8. We can solve it also because it will be divided by 2 also. So 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 8, 29 by 4. Here we can check it, numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is the example of improper fraction. Now next example, I am taking another example. This is 5 whole 4 by 3. So how we will solve this? Always write denominator as it is and 3 multiply by the whole number plus add numerator, that is 4. So 5 3 is a 15 plus 4 by 3. What we will get? 19 by 3. Here we can check it, numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is also the example of improper fraction. Now class, come on to the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So we will do opposite. How we have to change improper fraction into mixed fraction? So always we will divide it. 4 divided 19 divided by 4. So as it is we are doing division, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20 is greater than the 19. So 4 4 is 16. So what we will get? 9. See, nothing we have, this is 0. So here, and what whole number I have got it? 4. This is write as whole number. And what is your denominator? Denominator always written as same. And what we have find this, the remainder. What we have find remainder, that is 3. So 4, what the result we have find? 4 and 4 whole 3 by 4. Now the same process we will do 17 by 8. This is the example of the improper fraction. Here we are seeing numerator is greater than the denominator. So we will just divide it 17 by 8. So 8 2s are 16. what is the remainder we have? 1. So you know that the denominator we will written as it is, and what whole number we have got it, that is 2, and what remainder we have, this is 1. So 2 1 by 8, if we solve this we will get this value. Now next 23 by 4, the same process we will do. We have to divide it 23 by 4, and what result we have got, that is as a whole number we have written, and what remainder we have got, that is the numerator. This is now 23. So this is got by 4 5 20, what we have got, 3. The 3 works as numerator and 5 works as whole number and 4 works as denominator. So denominator we have written as it is, whole number what we have got, 5, and numerator what we have got, 3. So guys, I think you will understand how we have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction change into mixed fraction. Thank you.